We live in a world overflowing with data. From social media trends to financial markets, we're constantly bombarded with information. Making sense of this data deluge is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. That's where Tableau comes in. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that transforms raw data into understandable, insightful, and even beautiful visuals. In 2024, Tableau remains a leader in the field, constantly evolving to incorporate the latest technological advancements, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. Tableau's magic lies in its ability to empower users, regardless of their technical background, to become data storytellers. It's not just about creating charts and graphs, it's about uncovering hidden patterns, identifying trends, and communicating complex information in a way that is both compelling and easily digestible. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a business professional looking to make data-driven decisions, mastering Tableau's user interface is your key to unlocking the power of data visualization. Tableau's UI is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It's intuitive and visually appealing, making the process of data exploration and visualization feel almost effortless. Let's break down the key components of this dynamic interface. Your journey begins here. The data pane is where you connect to your data sources, whether it's a simple spreadsheet or a complex cloud-based database. You can preview your data, check for inconsistencies, and start shaping it for analysis. This is your creative canvas. The worksheet is where you drag and drop fields to create visualizations, experiment with different chart types, and watch your data come to life. Think of the dashboard as your presentation board. It's where you bring together multiple worksheets, images, and text to create interactive and visually stunning reports. Take your data narrative to the next level with story points. This feature allows you to create a sequence of dashboards and visualizations that guide your audience through your insights step by step. Tableau continues to push the boundaries of data visualization by integrating cutting-edge AI features. In 2024, two standout features are transforming the way users interact with data. Imagine having an AI assistant by your side, ready to help you navigate the world of data. Einstein Copilot does just that. You can ask Copilot questions in natural language, such as, "Show me the sales trends for the last quarter," and it will generate the appropriate visualizations for you. It can even suggest new ways to look at your data, revealing insights you might have missed. Staying ahead of the curve requires constant awareness of emerging trends and patterns. Tableau Pulse acts as your data pulse monitor, providing AI-driven insights and predictive analytics. It helps you identify anomalies, understand the why behind the numbers, and make proactive decisions. Section 4. Mastering the Essentials, Tools, and Techniques. Now that we've explored the basic layout and exciting AI features of Tableau's UI, let's dive into some essential tools and techniques that will elevate your data visualization game. Data preparation with Tableau Prep. Before you even begin creating visualizations, it's crucial to ensure your data is clean, consistent, and ready for analysis. Tableau Prep is a powerful tool that simplifies data preparation with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You can cleanse data, reshape tables, and automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Calculated fields. Unlock deeper insights by creating custom calculations within Tableau. Calculated fields allow you to combine, transform, and analyze data in countless ways, adding a new dimension to your visualizations. Interactive dashboards. Engage your audience with interactive dashboards that respond to their curiosity. Incorporate filters, parameters, and tooltips to allow users to explore data at their own pace and uncover personalized insights. Tooltips customization. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted tooltip. Customize tooltips to provide additional context, display relevant metrics, and guide users through your data story. You can even embed images and links within tooltips to enhance interactivity.